Hi, my name is Dennis Boyle. I'm located in Bakersfield, California. I'm a second year special education teacher. I have a lot more to learn, and I'm excited for this class because I'm going to dig a little bit deeper and learn more about the speech and language pathologist and their roles and the assessment process within their job duties and how a special education teacher can support in their environment, as well as learning how to conduct a functional behavior assessment. Um, During the functional behavior assessment that we had to conduct later in this course, I plan on assessing a fourth grader with autism in a classroom on my campus. Right now, my school has 7 special education classrooms, so there's a lot of students that are in special education, and there are a lot of students on the autism spectrum as well. So, two potential problem behaviors I'm looking to target are verbal outburst and also sharing or being able to cooperate with peers in the classroom. When it comes to the SLP, speech and language pathologist, I'm planning on interviewing one on my campus. Um, the speech and language pathologist is on the campus 3 days a week, as she has multiple campuses she serves. So she's there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday she's at another facility. Um, like I said, my campus has 7 classrooms, which keeps her very busy. Special education classrooms that keep her very busy, as well as there's other students outside the special education realm that do receive speech as well. Um, in addition to interviewing, I'm planning on observing her conduct a session with a few students to better understand how she supports the students in the classroom, and I think it will give me a better understanding on how I can support what she's doing or reinforce it in my classroom as well. I already reached out to her. I already looked ahead and I already reached out to set up the meeting um, and just let her know, like, hey, I have this assignment, but I'm gonna follow up in an email tomorrow to schedule that so we can meet for a session and conduct an interview. I'm excited for this course, and I'm excited to work and collaborate with everyone in this classroom, as so far it's already week 2 and there has been a lot of good discussions.